Hi guys, been a while from the last vlog. Been living the last 3 months like a normal life. Today I'm flying back to Spain, but first we have to make some lunch. So we're making perunamuusi and lihapihvit, and that means mashed potatoes and meat beef. So at least I made it to Spain, or to Barcelona. Now my Swiss friend Mike Pfister should pick me up outside the terminal. So let's see if he's there. He also had like a 10 hours drive from back home. So kinda good if we can hit the airport at the same time. But let's see. I guess I have to wait for a while. Actually, this is really entertaining. Now he's on the right road at least. So, Michelangelo, you came to pick me up.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Vamos! So now it's time to go and check out the bike. Oh, here it is. Yeah, so back at the Lleides park after almost 1 year. Back here starting the season 2022. Stoked to start riding again. After I started to build the garage back home, I haven't been riding in 3-4 months. So super stoked to be back here now. I sent my practice bike from home here. And also testing some new suspension. So keen to go and test and set up the bike and then start riding. Straight out of Germany. Yeah. And to Switzerland. Yeah.
Hey man.
So let's get the bike fixed. MG specific works. We'll fix it. Got like a scratch there where the exhaust should hang, or the pipe. So they will weld it and then we're ready to go again. What do you think, dog? Doggy, what do you think? It's good? Bien, muy bien. I think she likes it. Buenos dias.
Hola, buen día.
El jefe.
Hola, buen día.
This is the master chef. He's always putting up the barbecue for the riders, taking care that we are not hungry. It can get dangerous, you never know of this
You have
guy.
some gasoline?
Gasolina? No. Woo!
What's up?
And this is my Swiss friend Mike Pfister.
Wait a minute.
diga que es marico.
¿Qué
papá.
pasa, amigo? Long time
Coño.
see. Coño. I think the new Raven air gear feels pretty good. It's flexy, it's thin. I don't know how many crashes it lasts, but at least it feels good on, and yeah, happy with it, and at least some fresh colors after using all black gear and all black bike for several years already. So yeah, I think it's good. Check it out at 24MX shop. Booyah! Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I don't have a brain.
I know, that's how it looks. And you were thinking you came here being around of professionals. No.
Not professional mechanics, anyways.
Yeah.